biochemistry.
Aisha Altaf, lecturer, English department.
English.
Dr. Anba Shehzadi, assistant professor, biotechnology.
Biotechnology.
Environmental science department.
Okay.
Zoology department.
Zoology department.
Asfar Shadkani, head of botany department.
Head of botany department.
Saida Faruqi, head of business studies.
Business studies.
Dr. Salima Bashir from Head of Zoology Department
Zoology.
and Environment.
Professor Shahida Salim, I am head of the economics department and also the dean of social sciences.
Okay.
Cherna Emanuel, lecturer, zoology department.
Okay.
I am Sarva Jabin from accounting and finance department.
Okay.
Abira Ismat, MPhil student, environmental sciences.
Okay.
Hina Asif, student of MPhil environmental sciences. Zarish Siba, I am a student of MPhil environmental sciences.
Yes, better.
I am a student of environmental sciences.
Saira Khan, senior lecturer, Department of Applied Linguistics, Kinnaird College.
Okay.
Rabia
Speak
Zahir,
generally
senior
about British Council. British Council is United Kingdom's international organization for educational opportunities and cultural relations. Working in Pakistan since 1948, it connects people of Pakistan with educational opportunities and creative ideas, and thus builds a strong relationship between the people of Pakistan and the UK. Since sharing of experience and sharing of experience is one of the strategic themes of British Council, and higher education program is one of the main programs to meet this theme. Higher education program mainly consists of scholarships, which include Achievement Scholarship, CWT, Charles Walsh Trust Fellowship, and award. In return, we picked up best 10 trainers and we gave them the name of master trainers. Dr. Zulfikar who is from University of Veterinary Sciences, is one of our main lead trainers. And basically, when the TORs, that is the terms of references between HEC and British Council, were decided, it was agreed that all master trainers would conduct these workshops within their own institute. But when this idea was floated by Dr. Zulfikar Ali that he would like to hold a workshop here at Kinnaird College, then I flagged this up with HEC and got special approval. The reason behind is that we have very nice people from Kinnaird College, but it was actually done in this context that whenever we actually try to launch any program, hardly we get applications from.
Experiences और इन लोगों के जो हमारे सोच पर्सन हैं, हम वो सारी चीज़ें शेयर करेंगे। मैंने इंडिविजुअली बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट पिन किए हैं, नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लिंक्स भी हैं, बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के साथ मैंने अपना डिपार्टमेंट को एस्टेब्लिश किया है। तो जो हमारी अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं, हम वो भी बताएंगे कि हम क्यों सक्सेसफुल हैं और
पेजेस वगैरह का।
नहीं, मेरी बात सुने, उनकी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ये देखें ऑटोमेटिकली ये एरोज बनते जा रहे हैं मिडल
they were like a bit confused that it's too like scientific and all that stuff. So I assure you that whenever British Council conducts any workshop, our main theme is that we should give the very clear message to people that this is how you can develop a general project. So whatever is going to be your title or theme, you can adapt it accordingly, right? And I will be your first point of contact for higher education program, for scholarship, GNIM, CWT, Royal Holloway, OSI, and for alumni, and those who have gotten their degrees from the UK and they want to register themselves with British Council, we would be happy to have you registered with us, and you would be able to attend our very nice gala dinner events and musical nights and all that stuff.
To express my gratitude to the British Council and also to the faculty of the University of Veterinary Sciences for giving us this opportunity to learn how research is done and how a research project can be formulated and presented to some donor agency for finally getting the fundings. And I'm also very thankful to Dr. Tahira Goel from Lahore College for Women, and to Dr. Zulfikar, and also to Professor Mirza Sahab for giving us